A small antique English Ormolu in bronze Regency period mantel timepiece. This small clock, less than 8 inches high, has a timepiece fusee movement and an enamel dial with Roman numerals and fine steel hands. It has an Ormolu cresting and a nicely engraved or embossed bezel. It stands on a bronze base with Ormolu mounts and Ormolu 1 feet. Clock is unsigned. And is in nice condition. The clock is for sale. You can see it on our website ianburton.com. We have other quality antique clocks there for sale. We ship worldwide and we deliver throughout the UK.